I'm going to show you how to sign out of your FaceTime app. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your FaceTime app first. So in order to find FaceTime, you just need to scroll down and you'll find Docs right here. Or you can just tap on the launch pad right here and search for FaceTime manually. Or if you can find it, just go ahead and tap on FaceTime. And once you're here, you'd be able to see multiple options. You just need to look at the top where you can see the option FaceTime right next to the Apple logo. Just go ahead and tap there. Once you're here, you have options like About FaceTime, Settings, Remove all recent services, Hide FaceTime, Hide others, Show all, and Quit FaceTime. You just need to tap on Settings. So that is where you would find the option to sign out. And once you're there, you can see your Apple account, and right under it, you have the option to sign out. Just go ahead and tap on sign out and you would successfully be able to sign out of your FaceTime account. Tap on sign out, you would be shown this page, and tap on sign out again. And now you have successfully signed out of your FaceTime account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.